Hola! Did you ever wonder how to say that in Spanish but got confused on how to say it? Well, today we will talk about that and hopefully that won't be an issue anymore. Welcome to Spanish con Miguel. Short, fun, and easy lessons every week. Consider liking and subscribing for more. Today we are tackling a common challenge in Spanish, how to translate the word that. And this is a common issue because depending on the context, we can use one word or another. So it depends a lot on the context. Stay with me as we break it down in two sections so it will be easier for you to know how to say it. Comencemos! In the first section, we have esa, ese, and eso. And we can use them for three different situations. As a demonstrative pronoun, as a demonstrative adjective, and as an interjection or expression for emphasis. As a demonstrative pronoun, it replaces a noun when pointing out something. In this case, it can be used like in English, that one. In this case, we can use either esa, ese, or eso. I like that. Me gusta esa, me gusta ese, me gusta eso. Here, that replaces a noun without specifying which one exactly. As a demonstrative adjective, it modifies a noun to specify which one you mean. Por ejemplo, that book is mine. Ese libro es mío. In this case, we can only use ese or esa. Notice how that accompanies the noun book to indicate the specific item that we mean. As an interjection or expression for emphasis, it reinforces a feeling or an idea. In this case, we can only use eso. An example, that's amazing. Eso es increíble. In this case, that is used to emphasize that emotion in the statement. So, as a pronoun, it replaces a noun. As an adjective, it accompanies the noun. And as an interjection, it gives extra emphasis. For the second section, we're going to use that as que in Spanish. We're going to use this for subordinating conjunctions, relative pronouns, and conditional or exclamatory constructions. For subordinating conjunctions, this that is optional in English, but it is mandatory in Spanish. It connects a subordinate clause with the main clause. Por ejemplo, I think that he's smart. I think he's smart. In Spanish, we need that. Creo que él es listo. Creo que él es inteligente. Here, that introduces what you think. As a relative pronoun, it links a noun mentioned earlier with additional information. I think this one is also optional in English, but in Spanish it is mandatory. The book I bought is great. The book that I bought is great. El libro que compré es genial. In this sentence, that connects book with its description. For conditional or exclamatory constructions, it serves to intensify emotion or indicate an indirect condition. Again, this one is also optional in English, but it is mandatory in Spanish. Por ejemplo, I can't believe you would say that. I can't believe that you would say that. No puedo creer que dijeras eso. In these constructions, that serves to heighten surprise or emphasis. So, this second section, the que is mostly optional in English, and as a conjunction, it unites clauses. As a relative pronoun, it connects ideas within a sentence, and as a conditional or exclamatory construction, it highlights emotions or conditions. ese, esa, eso, or que. Now you know that that is that in Spanish, and hopefully that won't be an issue anymore for you. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and leaving me a comment. Also, if you want to go deeper in Spanish grammar, you can of course book a private lesson with me. That's it for today. Nos vemos en el próximo video.